Yeah.
First girl I ever met in my whole life. Wanna take her home, make her my wife. Knew she was a freak when she started talking. She said, fuck me like we fucked Bin Laden. Whoa, that girl was a freak. She said she knew I'm gonna fuck her harder than the military. Fuck Bin Laden. Fuck Bin Laden. Fuck Bin Laden. She wanted to fuck me harder than the US government. Fuck Bin Laden. She was a freaky kind of girl, kept up on current events around the world. Specifically one event. The time Osama Bin Laden got shot in the head. She said, do me like that, but I couldn't track the metaphor. That said, I can see you horny like a stegosaur. That said, again, your request is so irregular. She put on a beard, I started looking at the exit door. Then a turban, then a tunic. She said, invade my cave unit. I said he wasn't in the cave, but there was no stopping. She demanded that I fuck her like we fuck Bin Laden. Fuck Bin Laden. Fuck Bin Laden. She wanted to fuck me harder than the US government. Fuck Bin Laden. This girl requested intercourse to bring a climax with the clinical efficiency of the assassination of Bin Laden. You're harboring a fugitive. That ass and my justice will be punitive. I'm a smash. Night vision, they can see us through my GoPro. She tried to negotiate. I say that's a no-no. Now I'm creeping in her bedroom like go. She tells me to go home. Then looks down and says I gotta terrorize that pussy. Gotta terrorize that pussy.